Juniper Mist Wired Assurance is an AI-driven service built for the cloud era, providing your team with insight, automation, and self-driving actions, leading to unparalleled user experiences. Using AI and machine learning, Wired Assurance delivers simplified onboarding, automated provisioning, and proactive troubleshooting to assure great experiences across the LAN for your users. In addition, only Juniper has a complete client-to-cloud portfolio with Marvis, your AI-driven problem solver that provides rapid root cause identification and remediation across the wired LAN, wireless LAN, and WAN. No more manual policy configuration. No more hunting and pecking through logs and CLI. Problems are fixed before anyone notices. Juniper Mist Wired Assurance simplifies operations and offloads mundane tasks, giving your team time back to focus on strategic activities that drive value for your organization. Juniper Mist Wired Assurance.